Mobility means change, acceleration, transformation. Nothing is final. What works today will be gone by tomorrow. Technology has made it easier to shift traditional mobility paradigms. New habits, new solutions, more players, greater demands and flexibility. The challenge of intelligent, secure, and sustainable on-the-go connectivity has accelerated our goal to be 100% digital and drives our most disruptive breakthrough. Today, MOBIUS Group is the industry leader, providing technology-based solutions for managing vehicle fleets, repairs, maintenance, and damage. The major rent-a-car and vehicle leasing companies, insurance corporations, and businesses with both public and private vehicle fleets who rely on us can all attest to this. At MOBIUS Group, technology is the key to creating an ecosystem that makes it possible to monitor in real time every aspect of a fleet, including the most exacting time, price, and quality indicators, with the shared goal of creating the best possible customer experience. We reduce operating costs, we minimize gridlock, real-time data, dynamic communication, enhanced customer experience. Our experts have designed the technological solutions needed to make work more efficient, flexible, and accurate. Technology that places the focus on the customer and simplifies the power of data and real-time information. As soon as any incident or problem arises with a vehicle, it is digitally registered by a process controlled by Pegasus, the technological core of MOBIUS Group. Thanks to artificial intelligence from CapView and Avatar Expert Video Assessment, our professionals instantly evaluate the scope of the problem and ensure proper assessment with damage certification. At MOBIUS Group, we rely on an omni-channel, interactive communication system for each agent handling repairs, which helps to foster trust among our end clients, workshops, spare parts distributors, users, and customers. We work with over 1,300 workshops across Spain, selected because they demonstrate the same commitment to excellence MOBIUS Group's customers have come to expect. Our BS360 software automatically analyzes the impact and influence of each workshop while cutting costs and wait times through dynamic workshop selection. Selection is handled through artificial intelligence using BS Linker, based on availability, shop proximity, quality, and workshop sustainability, and selected workshops are committed to upholding our standards. Our Seeker tool streamlines automated spare parts purchasing through artificial intelligence and guarantees sourcing and top selection by considering costs and service levels. We've digitalized all administrative and authorization processes to ensure fast and transparent budget oversight. We design technological solutions that fit like Legos with our clients' needs. For instance, our Focus software is technology designed specifically for vehicle storage lots, or Damage Control, designed to handle damaged vehicles or inspect for fraud. We've invested all our experience into Admiral Fleet, a comprehensive management tool for fleets and drivers. Nothing makes us happier than achieving our customers' and drivers' satisfaction. We share, along with everyone in our ecosystem, a desire to simplify what is difficult, to reduce costs and repair times, and to streamline processes with an eye on the greatest prize of all, 5-star customer satisfaction. Let us take you into the future. Everything's measured, everything's traced. We conduct predictive data analysis and generate high-value information geared at optimizing future decision-making. This is our path, and we are driven to excel, to advance our goal of helping the country's top vehicle fleet corporations to go 100% digital. That's our commitment to support intelligent, secure, and sustainable mobility. Onward. Shall we connect?